So this is how your crush or your person views you. Your crush or your person views you as someone that has gotten rid of all their options. They are aware that maybe in the past you had a lot of options. They were an option also. And for some of you, I'm picking up that if you are dating this person right now, they feel a sense of loyalty from you. They feel like you're not entertaining anyone other than them. For some of you, they may feel like even if you do interact with some people that do find you attractive, you're not leading them on. You're not, doing anything suggestive. So in some regards, even if you are around people that like you may be polite, but at the same time, there is an energy of distance. At the same time, you do create boundaries. But they would like you to have more boundaries, maybe with a specific person, maybe because I don't feel like it's a lot, because we've got the Nine of Cups in the reverse to indicate that to me, they trust you, but they would like you to have a little bit more boundaries. Your crush or your person sees you as someone very stable. They see you as someone that is very loyal and very traditional, someone that wants a long-term partnership. They see you as someone that's very laid back. It's almost as if they feel like, not to say you don't have any stress in your life, but they do view you as someone that doesn't get overwhelmed and doesn't stress out a lot. They see you as someone that is very balanced, and they see you as someone that is extremely powerful. Not to say that you don't have stress, but there's a way about you whereby you don't allow certain things that will stress other people out to throw you off course. Okay? For some of you, your crush or your person may feel like you're a bit distant, and they may also feel as if you've left them out in the cold. I'm also picking up for some of you that your crush may feel like you're entertaining another person. Now, this other person could be a King of Pentacles like person, or it could be a Queen of Wands like person. Please take what resonates. But for others of you, I'm picking up strongly that your crush sees you as very powerful, but someone that may not have enough time for them, someone that possibly could have left them out in the cold and ended the connection abruptly. For some of you, I feel as if your crush or your person sees the connection with you as very transformative. Like being in a relationship with you, being in contact with you, any interaction is something that they don't take very lightly. They feel like for some of you, if they were to get into a relationship with you, their life will change. They know that for sure. They feel like if they were to be intimate with you, it will transform them. So there's an energy of danger is what I'm picking up. Not to say you're dangerous, but they feel like you are very powerful and your energy is very intense. It's very potent and very hypnotic. It's not to be taken lightly. And for some of you, your person may feel as if it's your person that you're in a relationship with, they may feel as if you carry a lot, you do a lot, you work too hard in some regard, and they may also want to chip in. They may also want to help you out. Some of you may have two jobs and they respect this about you. They see you as a boss. And they see you as someone that's very independent and want to do things your own way. They see you also, whoever this person is, as extremely beautiful, a natural stunner. You don't even need a lot of makeup. They can get lost in your eyes and you may catch them staring at you. They find you to be very refined, very elegant, very graceful, very caring, generous, artistic, high vibrational, funny, charismatic, witty. But there's an energy of being off limits. You know, they may feel like you're not ready for a relationship. They may feel like you want your own space. I'm hearing Neo Soul Miss Independent, but that's why they're drawn to you, because you are independent. but they do feel like you should have somebody that invests in you also. For some of you, I feel like if it is a crush, then they may feel like they need to slow down. They need to slow down. There's something about if you were, it's like they're thinking like if they were to become intimate with you, you would give them a run for their money. Literally, you'll give them a run for their money. They feel like you're very, they just get this way about you whereby they feel like you're very skilled intimately. They feel as if you have a lot of stamina, and they feel that you would teach them a few things, put it that way. And I feel as if this person just sees you as so beautiful, regardless if you're a male or a female, and they respect you highly. And it's almost as if they find themselves thinking on that level, they feel disgusted with themselves, like, because they got so much respect for you, it's like I don't want to think about them in that way, but at the same time they can't help feeling romantically drawn to you, and there's nothing wrong in that, but they just see you as like fine china. They just feel in some cases that they may not be good enough, they may not have enough money, is what I'm picking up, and they may feel like I should cut you off, but they can't because they're drawn to you. But your person may feel as if you may cut them off because they feel they haven't got enough, right? And they may feel that you deserve someone that has got enough, and then you may end it once you find out the truth about their financial situation. They see you as very open, and they're taken aback by your honesty. They're taken aback by the way you are just so expressive with your emotions. I don't know if they're not used to people being as authentic as you, but they find you to be extremely authentic. They find you to be deeply spiritual. They find you to be someone that has a lot of power, spiritual power, a lot of wisdom, a lot of knowledge. They find you to be extremely intelligent. And it does create a bit of fear somewhat, because it's like they feel like you can read their mind, and it makes them it makes them a bit anxious. It's not like they've got anything to hide, but they've never come across someone like you before. Like, they know that when they talk to you, when they converse with you, they have to be real. They have to be 100, because they know that you've got this spiritual side to you, or you've got this insight. And, some of you may have done psychology. Some of you could be spiritual and psychic, you're watching this channel. So you definitely got gifts. And I feel as if this individual feels like talking to you, spending time with you, gives them an opportunity to express who they really are. Maybe with other people, they have to pretend that they're someone that they're not, and it can get draining. Literally, it can get draining. But with you, they can be their true selves, and you won't judge them. You don't care if they've got enough or they haven't got enough, and I feel for some of you, this crush or this person may feel like you do not want to give them, if you're a male listening to this, you do not want to give them your time, your attention. They may feel like you're not attracted to them as well. And they may feel like you don't want to move forward with them anymore. Again, it could be about someone else. They may feel like you switched up on them, you ended the situation with them, you've left them out in the cold, and they feel like it's because of someone else. It's what I'm picking up. They feel like you could be juggling. For some of you, I feel as if this is a crush. You're not dating this person. It's a crush, right? So they may feel like you found a better offer, and that's why you are, turning them down, and you are still talking to them, but they can feel the boundary that's been put in place. And they could be wondering, who is it? Because they've noticed a change in you. They notice that you are changing your approach. You may not be overly nice to them anymore. You're acting like you're in a relationship, or you're making more of an effort than they've noticed that you've made more of an effort. You could be dressing differently. You could be wearing a certain aftershave. You could be, you may be looking at someone a little bit too long, or there's something that you're doing that's making this person feel like you've met someone else and there's no hope for us. And yeah, they feel like this situation ain't going anywhere because, again, they suspect or they know that you met someone else. Maybe you used to always spend time with this person, But things have changed, yeah, with the justice card. They feel like you're hiding a secret. They feel like you're not being truthful. They feel like there could be someone else on the scene. And they're trying to remain balanced about it. But at the same time, they're trying to work you out. They're trying to work out this person's background. Where did they come from? Where did you meet them? All these different things are going on in their head. But if you are dating this person sees you as very exotic, very beautiful, and they don't really care about the fact that, you're from different worlds if you are, and maybe you met them at work and they don't care about that either.